Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're back in the kitchen again, and we're going to make a chocolate pie, one of my favorite pies.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
You need, for this pie, some pudding, chocolate pudding. You need some milk. And I like, out of the pie, it's this chocolate cookie crust. And it's Oreo. So the recipe for the pie is on the pudding box. Okay, so now we're going to do 1 3/4 cup of milk. That's 1 cup. Time to put my pudding mix in. Now you're going to mix it up for 1 minute on low. Now we're going to pour in our mix into the pie crust. So now it's ready for the fridge for 1 hour, and we're going to put whipped topping on it when it's done. I hope you enjoy my chocolate pie. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.